I am now about to go outside into this blizzard. I am not a loser, at least. Shut up. I'm about to go outside. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Look how look how deep the snow is getting. Like, do you see this? Oh, can't even go out there. Gotta cover the camera. Oh, like, look how deep the snow is. Like, it is deep. Like, I'm freaking walking, and the snow is freaking deep. Do you see this? Look. Oh, my camera's getting wet, so I gotta get out. Gotta get out. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Snow. I can make a freaking snowball. I did now. Snow eater. Snow eater. Peace.